The day is finally here. Every team member is getting an iPad from the organization to use, and everyone is really excited. We know that Apple does a nice job of creating a great user experience right out of the box, but we also know that everyone is eager to customize their device to make them their own. The Settings app is where users can find information about their device and customize preferences. As an admin, we want to let our users customize their devices to help them get the best experience out of them, but we also have organizational standards to adhere to. That's why it's important for an admin to know which options are available in Settings in case they want to manage those options with Jamf Pro. My name is Corey. Let's go through a quick overview of the Settings app for iOS and iPadOS. For this overview, I'm going to be showing iPadOS. However, the settings we're reviewing can be found in iOS as well. From the home screen, open the Settings app. When the Settings app on iPadOS is opened, we see the General section, but if we scroll on the left, we can see a long list of other panes that can be customized. At the top of this list is the option to sign in with an Apple ID, which allows the use of iCloud, the App Store, and more Apple services such as Find My. Some organizations don't want users to use personal Apple IDs on institutionally owned devices. Mobile device management solutions like Jamf Pro can manage and prevent access to features such as Apple ID. For now, I'm not going to sign in. Right below the Apple ID section are some other commonly used settings, such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Within the General section, we can find information about the device, check for updates, or review storage. Tap About at the top to view the device name, the software version, serial number, and more. Let's change the name of the device. Tap Name, delete the current name with the X on the right, and then enter a new name. To make sure I know it's my device, I'm going to name it Corey's iPad. If we go back to the General section, we can see Software Update right below About. Anytime there's a new OS version available, it can be downloaded and installed here. With automatic updates turned on, updates can be downloaded and installed automatically overnight if the device is connected to Wi-Fi, charging, powered on, and locked. The VPN and Device Management section shows any VPN configurations and profiles installed on the device. Mine currently shows the Mobile Device Management profile that was downloaded when the device was enrolled into Jamf Pro. If this device was not already enrolled, we'd see the option to sign in to work or school account to enroll our device into Jamf Pro with account-driven enrollment. At the bottom of the General section, we have the option to transfer or reset iPad. We can tap Get Started to back up and prepare information to be transferred to a new device, or if the device just needs to be wiped, we can select Erase All Content and Settings in order to erase it. Erase All Content and Settings removes all personal data from the device, but leaves the system volume intact, so installing a new operating system isn't necessary. I don't want to do this now, so I'm selecting Not Now. Under Touch ID and Passcode, or Face ID and Passcode if your device has this feature, users can manage settings for Touch ID or Face ID, change their passcode, and set how soon a passcode is required after a device is locked. While it's always nice to let users customize their own device settings, admins can use Jamf Pro to enforce passcode requirements, set how long a device can be inactive before it's automatically locked, and even prevent users from utilizing Touch ID or Face ID to unlock a device. Understanding what options there are within settings allows admins to make informed decisions to develop organizational standards and enforce security settings to create a safer and more secure environment. While this video provided a sample of the options, we recommend exploring settings yourself and identifying settings you'd want to manage. While many settings can be managed with Jamf Pro, some settings have not been opened for management by Apple. In those cases, creating device usage policies can help inform users of settings that should not be modified. We encourage you to check out our other videos and keep learning. Thanks for watching.